welcome to my very first baking video. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make a healthy, really delicious granola recipe. It's plant-based, you can make it gluten-free, it is adjustable to your liking, and it is way healthier than all the things that you could buy at a store. So I hope you like this video, and let's get started with the recipe. Bye! This is just a lovely day today in Miami, and I'm wearing a sweater because it's cold. Yes, it does get cold in Miami, surprisingly. But yeah, let's just get on. I will have the full description of the ingredients in my blog post, and I will link that recipe down below. But now I just want to show you guys, the process. So I have a large bowl here, and I'm going to add my oats. And if you want this recipe to be gluten-free, make sure that the oats that you get are gluten-free, and it'll be gluten-free. So just pop your oats into the bowl. And then over here I have brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt, so you can add that right in there. And then my spatula mixes right up. After it is thoroughly combined, I'm gonna add my other dry ingredients, and here I have a combination of almonds, walnuts, unsweetened coconut, and cranberries. Looks kind of like this, all mixed and combined. We're ready to add our liquid ingredients. The liquid ingredients in this recipe are gonna be virgin unrefined coconut oil, so it is like the healthiest oil probably with olive oil out there, and 100% pure organic maple syrup from Canada. And yeah, we're gonna mix that into our bowl of dry ingredients, and as I said again, mix away. Woohoo! Oh, by the way, it also has about like a few drops of vanilla extract. I would say 2 teaspoons, maybe. Yeah, I'm not the perfect measure type of cook, if you can say that. You want everything to be well coated, and you want the liquids to be well distributed. So yeah, it's gonna look like this really rich, delicious, decadent cereal. And then we're ready to bake. It's my backyard. So what you're gonna do next, after everything is well combined and the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients are evenly incorporated and everything is coated with coconut oil and maple syrup, what you're gonna need next is a baking sheet and a baking silicone mat. Of course, you can use parchment paper, but I really like these baking silicone mats because they are reusable. I don't waste any paper, and I can use them until I die. And I will link down below somewhere where you can get these. I got mine at Costco, but Amazon sells them too. So I guess we can plop our batter into our silicone tray. Well distributed throughout the whole baking sheet, and I will show you how to do that just now. This is how it should look like. You don't want it to be just a clump of oats in the middle, otherwise that won't bake evenly. And I guess now we can go and put it in the oven. Your batch is on the baking sheet. You can preheat your oven to 325 and cook for 15 minutes, and then take it out with your spatula, just mix it up, put it back in, cook for another 15 minutes, take it out again, mix it up, and then cook it for 5 minutes for a total 3 mixes.